Welcome back to my channel to another review. Today we're reviewing the HardCandy Nourishing Lip Crayons, and in my opinion these are awesome. First we're going to go over the primer here, and this is $5, and you can use this primer as a lip balm alone or to prime your lips in preparation for lip crayons. And this is a twist up crayon. They're easy to use, you guys. And the primer leaves like a silicone feel on your lips, so it makes a perfect base for matte lip products. It's really, really nice. I definitely highly recommend picking up the primer if you have any desire to pick up any of the shades, because it does help with the wear. There's no scent to this, and yes, it helps with the staying power of the shades. Moving on to the Nourishing Lip Crayons, the shades. Also, these are $5 each. They also have no scent. I did get a comment wondering if they smelled like their leafy picture. They literally have no smell at all, you guys. No smell at all. Also, twist up crayon, easy to use. There is 11 shades in this HardCandy Matte Up, or well, all Matte Up Plus line. And they are ranged from nude to vampy and a few shades in between. And supposedly these are a revamped formula of a past product. I didn't try the past product, so I have no idea. But when I saw these and they were new, I thought, I'm on this HardCandy kick, so we might as well pick some up to try. I fell in love with them, and over about 3 or 4 different trips to Walmart, I've picked up 7 of the shades and the primer. So I own 8 of the 11. Now, these claim on the website that they have long-lasting color payoff while using hemp and coconut oil to help nourish your lips. I will say that these are the most comfortable matte products I have ever used on my lips. They are so rich and creamy. They are something else. Like, honestly, I've tried a lot of matte lip products and these are so comfortable on the lips. They're amazing. I love them. Now, as far as wear goes, now of course these lip crayons are pigmented, creamy, very comfortable on the lips, but as far as wear goes, they are going to start wearing over a couple hours. Of course, that is just natural. There's a couple hours there that you won't have any wear at all. They'll look perfect on your lips. But of course, as you go about your day, they start to wear off as the day goes on while eating and drinking. And you're going to need to pack this around to reapply it. So as far as I don't think as matte formula, it doesn't have like a super long wear on the lips, unfortunately, just a couple hours. But if you do use the primer with them, it does add a couple more extra hours and gives you the best results. Here's a picture of 5 hours later. You can clearly still see the lip product on. It does have some wear to it, but that's with primer. Now, without the primer, 5 hours later, it's gonna be gone. So I definitely recommend packing these in your purse and just using to reapply, because the formula on these, honestly, like I stated before, is the most comfortable matte formula I've ever used. They're not drying. It's a very nourishing, soft formula. Very, very nice. I think they look so nice on the lips. The shades that I have: Blushed, Sticks and Stones, Earthy Marcella, Blush Orchid, Retro Red, So Spicy, and Venom. I picked up 3 variations of like the nude pinks. Very beautiful. I have a bright pinky purple. Orchid, unfortunately, is the only one though that stains lips. This one will stain, but it's not bad. Like, you can remove this stuff with oil. And Lush Orchid, although it stains, it is very beautiful. And if you like Hot Plum lipstick from Maybelline, you're probably really going to love this one. Now, Retro Red is the next one I kind of want to talk about. This is a blue toned red. It's one of those basic, literally, you know, hence the name Retro Red. So if you're not into blue toned reds, you might not like this one. But if you love the pinup style, retro makeup, all that, you may love this one. So Spicy is one of those really nice, beautiful burgundy kind of dark wine shades. Very beautiful. And the last one, Venom. I love that name. Venom, for that one, is like a dark plum, a deep dark plum shade. And my favorite overall to just wear on my lips like an everyday shade is Sticks and Stones. That's the first one I picked up. Also, beware that online these don't really show up true color. These are just so nice, you guys. This is just a little product rave. I hope you guys will try them out for yourselves. I also want to mention that I did do this review. This is my second time filming this review. The first review I couldn't use because there was too much background noise, and I had a beautiful manicure to match the sticker on the packaging. I'm going to insert a clip of that so you guys can see that the manicure doesn't go to waste. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope you will found this review helpful and will try these out for yourselves because they are awesome. They are so awesome. Well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to check the description box for additional hard candy links. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos.